How you doing there? You guys are quiet. Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? There's a noisy one over here. Yeah, there you are. What are you doing? Oh yeah, I know. What are you guys doing? You were all talkative before. Oh, I know where we can go. Yeah, we'll go over here where it's... And believe it or not, those two little ones were just born. Yeah. There's the barn. There's the barn. These two little ones, believe it or not, just came out, man. Yeah, they just came out. Gross. Yeah. They just, well, I guess they just let them right there. Okay. Hey guys. Hey, here's some noisy ones. Yeah, what are you guys doing? Hey. Hey, you guys like the sun? Oh, hey, what are you doing? What's going on, buddy? Hey, how you doing? Oh, everyone wants attention. Yeah, everyone. Oh, look at this guy. Hey, what are you guys doing? Oh, everyone wants attention over here. Oh, look at all these guys. Hey, everyone wants attention. Oh, you got bad breath, buddy. Hey, how's everybody doing over here? Huh? Look at all these goats. What are you doing back here? Getting shoved back here. How about you? Yeah. So see how it looks like they're eating my clothes? They're not really eating my clothes. The farmer said that they like to get the salt off of their clothes. They don't really eat your clothes. Oh, you want that shirt, huh? Oh, I'll take that one. Yeah. So what's in here, huh? What's over here? What's over here? Let's see here. Oh, let's see, everybody come in droves. Oh, hey, what's going on, everybody? What are you doing? Oh, you want to come out of the cage? Look at this guy. Hey. Yeah, everyone wants to come out of the cage. Oh, well, hey, I can give you some attention over here. I wonder if these guys will come around. No, they're not. Hey, oh, look at those teeth. Let me see them teeth. Oh, look at you, buddy. You guys must be males. Yeah, that's what you guys are. Yeah, you guys are the males. Because I think I've seen you before. Maybe not. Hey, buddy. Don't hurt me. Are you a nice dog? Are you a nice goat? Oh. Thanks for showing me your teeth, buddy. Can I come around and take a look at you? Oh, yeah, take a leak right there. No problem, dude. Oh, what, are you guys excited? You want to take a leak while I'm here? Well, hey, guys, what are you doing? You excited? You like me? Huh? Is that what it is? You like... Let me see that eye of yours. Yeah, let's see. Oh. Yeah, eat my clothes. No problem, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, what are you doing over there? You eating over there? You eating? I'm going away now. Let's see if those males are hanging out. I wonder how much video I got. I don't know. Oh, these are the wild ones. Yeah, you guys are wild. That's what I heard. Oh, you're taking a leak too. I'll leave you and let you be. Let's see. Let's go over here. Let's see. Alright. Let's see if I got the males going on. Yeah, here we go. Oh, here's the one that I thought was over there. These are the male goats. What are you guys doing? See, there's the one over there I was saying that looked like Buddy Holly. He's got the little blonde hair on the top. You guys are lazy today. Oh, here you come. Yeah, come on, get up and come and see me. Look at this handsome guy. Yeah, look at this handsome guy. Look at you. Oh, hey, how you doing there? It's a nice beard you got there. Hey, how you doing? You friendly? I should have asked you if you guys were friendly. I can't imagine you wouldn't be. Oh, look at you. You have such nice hair. Look at that hair. Yeah, such nice red hair. Yeah, look at that hair. Oh yeah, I gotta give attention to everyone. Yeah, gotta give attention to everyone. Well, okay, alright, yeah. I'm glad you guys get along pretty good. Oh, well, hey. How you doing? Here's the one I said looked like Buddy Holly. What are you doing? Look at that hair. Look at that hair you got. Look at that nice beard. Yeah. You guys are just such a great little animal. Yes, you are. Yes, you guys are. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. The male goats. What are you doing? What are you doing here, huh? Huh? You liking it here? Yeah? Oh yeah, here's the guy. Look at this beard, man. Look at that beard. Yeah. Yeah. Is that good? Oh, you can't eat the here's the beard, dude. Check this guy out. Yeah, look at that beard, man. Yeah, let's check out that beard. Okay, hey buddy. You look, ooh, that's some gross looking feed you got there. Yeah. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Man. Alright, well. Hey, do you want some attention or no? Alright. I guess he's the only one that doesn't want any attention. That male goat. Yep. See you later, dude. Bye, guys. Oh, I just love that sound. What are you guys doing? Is that guy munching? Alright, well. Do it again. This guy really wants attention. Yeah, I'll see you, buddy. I like that red hair you got there. Look at how pretty that is. Look at how pretty that red hair is. Yeah, you guys are the nice guys. Oh, well, hey, I like you too, buddy. Yeah, so nice. Such a nice man. Nice man goat. Yeah. Yeah, okay, well. Here we go. There's the two newborns just chilling out in the sun. Yes, that's what they do.
What hotel?
Look at all these little baby goats.
Oh, right.
Oh, look at all those baby goats.
Right.
Look at all these little baby goats. Yo!
Did you notice the babies are eating?
No.
I didn't know if you wanted to video that or not. Yeah, I'm feeding babies.
Okay.
That's how we do it.
Alright, let's see.
That's nice.
Look at that. There they are. Yeah, I'm definitely going to bring my mother-in-law out here. Oh, look at you guys. So
They're
you,
like, hey, where's our milk? They know it's time to eat.
your fur is so soft. Yeah. Yeah. You enjoying yourself over here, buddy? Alright, last stop. Last stop over here. These are the babies. Oh hey! Oh hey! Oh hey! Oh yeah! Look at you guys! Oh look at you little baby goats! Oh who's that? Oh who's that? Who's that? Oh who's that little girl? Oh who's that? Oh who's oh who? Oh who's that? And look at these guys. I guess they segregate over here. Yeah. Oh, hey, little white goats over here. Oh, and there's that guy. Look at how he's matured, that guy. That little buff guy. There he is. I'm trying to get him. There he is. What are you doing? What are you doing, little guy? Yeah. Yeah, you're the oddball. Yeah. All right, well, that's it for me. See you later.